Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to create this beautiful GlassMorphism graph and animate the curve. So without wasting time, let us jump into the tutorial. First, change the color of the background. Pick the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. I will change the height and the width to get a perfect size. Set the rectangle in the middle. Change the border radius to 50. Change the color to a linear gradient, and change the position from top left to the bottom right. This will enable us to create a GlassMorphism background. Change both colors to white. Change the opacity of the bottom right to 20%, 40% for the top left. Also, change the border color to white and the opacity to 40%. Give it a border size of 2. Check the background blur. Change the amount figures to 40, brightness to 0, and opacity to 100%. This gives the rectangle a blur effect. So anything behind or at the back of the rectangle will be blurred. To show you what I mean, we'll create a shape and place it behind the rectangle. So as you can see, part of the circle behind the rectangle got blurred. Now let's proceed and draw the y-axis by using the line tool. Hold the Shift key and draw, to enable the line to be straight. Change the border color to white, decrease the opacity to 40%, and also increase the size to 5. Do the same for the x-axis. Now I'll create indicator lines. Select all the lines and click on Distribute Vertically to give equal spaces between the lines. Pick the text tool and add the y-axis figures. At the x-axis, add the months. Now let's draw the curve. In this case, you can use the pen tool or the line tool to get this done. So I will teach you the simplest way by using the line tool. Pick the line tool, and draw a straight line diagonally. Change the color, the opacity, and the size. Now double-click on the line to activate the pen tool. Add points to where you want to burn. To automatically burn the curve, just double-click on the points. You can easily adjust the points to where you want them to be. Now to make the animation work like this, we need to set a gap on the curve. So first check the width and the height of the curve. Keep it in mind because we're gonna use it to get the perfect gap. Scroll down. Under the border, you will find the gap. Here, we will do a little calculation by adding the width and the height of the curve. You can ignore the decimals. At this stage, because the dash is 0, it completely makes the curve invisible. Now select the artboard and press Ctrl or Command D to duplicate the artboard. Select the curve on the second artboard which is invisible. Scroll to the gap and interchange its figures with the dash, so the gap becomes 0 and the dash becomes 1038, as you can see how the curve is back at its state. Now is the time to add animation to the curve. Hop into prototype mode, select the first artboard, click and drag the blue handle to the second artboard to wire it up. At the Properties window, change the trigger option to time. Add a delay of 0.2 seconds. Change the transition type to Auto Animate. This action enables the animation of the curve to flow from 0 states to its set state. Change the ease out to ease in and duration to 3 seconds. Now let's play what we have done. Wow! You can see the curve animate from its invisible to a visible state. Let me refresh again for you to see. Wow! Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to join the awesome family by clicking the subscribe button below. On that, I say see you soon on another tutorial. Peace.